Hello everyone, my name is Brennan, and I'm going to be playing the game basketball. Um, there wasn't a game with a B and an H. My last name is Hagen, so I went with my middle name, which starts with an E, and basketball was the one that I found and chose. So it took me quite a while to figure out this game. It's a game designed by a guy named Alan Miller. He's the lead designer on this game, and it's by Atari Inc. in 1979. This game is very similar to regular basketball, the same concepts. Some of the main, some of the main mechanics of the game is basically the same as basketball. You know, you have the ball and you're trying to make into the opponent, into your basket, while trying to stop your opponent from scoring in your own. A ball is thrown between them, between the two players. The offensive player always faces his own goal. As you can see here, I'll turn the game on. I think I can control. I'm this guy right here controlling him. It's pretty interesting. Sometimes I haven't figured out completely the mechanics. Now he has the ball. I think if I switch the game select, he'll start moving around. And now we can play together. And it's kind of like sporadic movements. I'm the guy on the left right here. See, it's basically keep away, and then you get close enough to the basket and shoot and score. And then he gets it, and you do the same thing. You can do really long shots. I think if you hold it down farther, he just stole it from me. So it's a very interesting game. So he just stole it from me again. Some of the things I do like about it is how you can have full range of motion while playing. I think that's very interesting. And in some cases, it does keep score. I haven't figured out how to make it keep scoring every single time. He stole it from me again. Some things I don't like about it is how easy it is for the opponent to take the ball off. All you have to do is just run right by them, or run right into them, and they'll steal it immediately. So that's kind of annoying. But other than that, like, for its time and what this game meant, it was pretty cool. It reminds me of a lot of Pong, the basic simple game. I just made one. Reminds me of a lot of that, just I think because of the goalposts, the way they look, and the way the ball looks. But other than that, it's a very interesting game. It's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying playing it. I think what's really unique about this game is that it's like an actual sport on Atari. I don't know for sure, but it seems like it was probably one of the first of its kinds to portray an actual sport. I think this in soccer probably would have been the easiest thing that they could have portrayed. So that's pretty cool. One of the things that does make this game unique also is, hold on, I'm stuck. There we go. Is how the player can control the ball and the movements all in different 8 directions. There's 8 directions that the person can move: diagonal, up, down, side to side, this way, that way. There's just a bunch of different ways. And also, there's a game switch select here. I don't know if you can see my mouse in this recording, but you can just press A here on the keyboard, and I'll throw him the ball. And then I can take it from him, and if I make it, I gotta make it. Hold on, let me make it. It's kind of hard. If I make it, then you can have him throw you the ball by pressing space, and then you can just practice your shots. And I think that's kind of interesting how you can play an actual game, but then also you can practice your shots. So that's pretty cool. That's about it for this game. There's not much to it. It's a very simplistic game. There's not any story to it. It's just basic basketball. But I did think that it was very interesting because it's a sports game. It was probably one of the first of its kind. So that's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to watch your guys' video games and what you guys could come up with and play. All right, thanks. Bye.